Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into XRP. Once again, thank you for your support. Big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to every single one of you, okay, for everything that you do on a daily basis. Just liking this video right now, and obviously equally to all the Patreons. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for helping us build a fantastic community in the Discord, you know, and everyone's really happy with the content. We're building a fantastic community, honestly, it's amazing. So right now, XRP, as anticipated, it is rolling over, it's having its little correction. You know, do expect a little bit more of a pullback. I don't think we're completely out of the woods yet, and that is purely because of Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is in the technical target for me of 37,100 and something dollars, I think it is, off a head and shoulders pattern. So to invalidate that particular breakdown for Bitcoin, you do need to see it break the local high, come up and break that neckline, which I've shown you in the Bitcoin video, and obviously break the local high. If it does that, you're not looking at rollover for Bitcoin, and that is the only reason XRP rolls. You do understand that, don't you? Yeah, there's no sort of decoupling yet at the moment, not yet anyway. I do anticipate in the future, but not yet. You know, I'm just going to show you some really bullish things for XRP right here, right now. You know, you've got this massive cup and handle pattern, boom, break it, see you later, you're gone. Okay, not only that, you've got a beautiful cup and handle pattern just here as well. Look, boom, break it, you're gone. Equally, you know, you've got a inverse head and shoulders pattern just here. Let me do a proper line just here. Let me show you. So you've got a massive inverse head and shoulders pattern that you're forming just here as well. Left shoulder, head, potentially calling back, right shoulder, break that level of resistance. Like I've shown you so many times, it's all about that level of resistance. This line now is acting as a key level of resistance. You start to break that, you're looking really, really good here for XRP. You know, you're breaking out, you're moving onwards and upwards, aren't you? You're forming that new impulsive wave. You equally, you know, you had an inverse head and shoulders pattern here, and equally, you know, a cup and handle pattern as well. You know, once you broke out of this massive inverse head and shoulders, you came up and you met the technical target. Obviously, you know, you don't even need to drop it in for you. You can see that once you came up, look, you absolutely met it to the T. You start to consolidate, formed a bull pennant basically on the daily time frame. You broke out and you met the technical target of the impulsive wave, which I gave you as well, way down here. Okay, just to show you for those that are not familiar, you know, I gave you an impulsive wave target, and look at that, 1618 met, bang, to a T. Do you see that? Because you came down, retraced, impulsive wave, broke that high, technical target was met. Same with this, okay, and this is what I'm looking at, minimal for XRP. For those of you who are not familiar, you're looking at a brand new, look, rinse repeat pattern, inverse head and shoulders, cup and handle pattern, horizontal. You know, you've got a level of resistance just there, you've got a level of support just there, you know, horizontal, just like you did here. Let me show you. Boom, 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 broke out, see you later. Boom, 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 break out, see you later. Okay, it gets quite nasty if you roll over. Don't anticipate that. I think you're looking for a breakout. Worst case scenario, you fall that back down to this trend line, bounce off it, come to the apex, break out eventually. You're looking at a minimal $4.50, round about that sort of area, okay, for XRP, breaking this local high and breaking the all-time high there for XRP, which would be amazing. And the thing is, because you've broken this all-time high just here, okay, and obviously large cup and handle as well, you're breaking out, you're pushing onto this, the 1618, you're equally in a larger extended fib target. Do you understand that? So you're going to start pushing through the fibs. You're looking at a 1272, you're looking at 1414, and you're looking at 1618, and who knows, you know, eventually in our lifetime we may get to the 2 and beyond. You know, we may get up there, who knows. But so far these are my targets. These have always been my targets, okay? So I do think we are minimally looking at an impulsive wave to this. This is my minimal target at the moment, because I do think that once we break out this level of resistance just there, boom, we're gone, and this is us, okay? We're looking really, really bullish. So I just want to show you this thing that's really bullish for XRP. It's the pi cycle top indicator just here, okay? So anything that's got longevity, you need to pay attention to and drop this in your charts. It is primarily a Bitcoin indicator, pi cycle top indicator. Get to it through your indicators. Go to indicators, search for pi cycle Bitcoin top indicator and drop it into your charts, okay? It uses 2 moving averages to create crosses. One is the 350 moving average, daily moving average, sorry, the green line, and the other one is the orange line, which is an 111-day moving average. And you can see that when they cross, they create a bit of a top signal. Look, that was that top signal, and this was it, this top signal, and you can see consolidated and rolled over into a bear right there. So you can see we're so far away from this particular signal right now that, you know, you don't need me to tell you when the top is in. This will do it for you. Do you understand that? This is going to do it for you. When XRP starts to come up here and go parabolic, you're going to get a crossing of these lines, and at that point, when you get that, wherever the price action is, that's your top, that's your pi cycle top. You know, according to this, look how close that is. boom, bear market. You know, wherever you come to, wherever it is, boom, bear market. Okay, do you understand that? So keep an eye on that. Drop it in your charts. It's looking really good. You can see that we almost formed one just here for XRP. Look at this, we're so close. If we'd have got continuation here and done something like this for XRP and gone really parabolic, done something like that, started to come up, if we'd have started to form that there, I think we would have been printing a pi cycle top indicator. So I do think it's coming. We've not had it in this bull market. I do anticipate that we are going to get it, and I do think that at that point, when you do get it, you know, when XRP does break out here, starts to come up, or wherever it comes to, you are going to form this pi cycle top, and that's going to be an indicator to take profit. Again, not financial advice, and nothing I say on the channel is financial advice, but this is a really, really cool indicator. It's a very, very accurate on Bitcoin as well. Okay, so I am anticipating this. You know, come to your charts, indicators, pi cycle top, pi cycle Bitcoin top indicator. Drop into your charts, and let's keep an eye on this going forward. Okay, because that will show us where the top is basically. Yeah, so that's XRP. It's looking relatively good for continuation. You know, you are above this orange line as well, which is really, really bullish. Really bullish. The only thing that's got me a little bit concerned at the moment is, have we put in the ABC? Have we actually put in the ABC so far? Or are we going to come a little bit deeper and have a little wick down to a lower level of support? Primarily, you know, we've not quite come down to that 85 cents, have we? I think we came down to around about 86 cents. So it was 1 cent off it, unfortunately. But for me, Bitcoin is still in a technical target to the downside. It is in a head and shoulders pattern to 37,100, I think it is. And if it gets there, that's where you're going to see it drag XRP down with it, and potentially XRP is going to put in a larger sort of C wave down to this potential swing high down there, okay, which is equally the golden ratio, I believe it is, on around about 74 cents or something, you know, and that would kind of tie in with this larger ABC that we're putting down here as well. Look, we've got the A, the B, and then we had a larger C wave. Do you see that? You got your A, your B, and a larger C wave down to that swing high, you know, because for me, if Bitcoin wasn't hint an head and shoulders, I would say you've done it, you've bottomed out. I don't see you going any lower. But the only reason that the XRP gets dragged down is because of Bitcoin. You understand that, yeah? So potentially if Bitcoin continues and hits its head on that level of resistance on the neckline of the head and shoulders and starts to roll, this is where you could see XRP just have one sort of last little correction. I think it's around about 20% down today, I think, off the top of my head. You know, yeah, around about 18%. One last little whip down, roll over, back test off that, boom, that's your low. And I think at that point you start to do something like that, and then you're gone, you know, start to come back up, get above this golden line, because you can see when you're above a golden line, you're really bullish. You know, you are bullish, but have a little wick down, key level support, come back up, hold, break out, see you later. You're looking at $4.50 minimal, and we are looking for that daily pi cycle top indicator to come in to show us where the top is, okay, in this bull market for XRP. That's XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.